Anti-inflammatory medication is used in order to eliminate excessive inflammation in the body caused by our immune system as it defends itself from harmful pathogens. In the case of over-the-counter and prescription anti-inflammatories, their regular use can be controversial since some of their components cause adverse effects when taken over a long period of time. Furthermore, there's a constant need for pharmaceutical companies to make their medicines stronger every time, meaning that their side effects last longer than ever. However, there is no need to depend only on industrialized anti-inflammatories. There are natural ingredients that have anti-inflammatory effects that, because they come from vegetables, don't cause negative reactions after being ingested. These natural anti-inflammatories can be used against common infections, whether they are respiratory or urinary tract infections. Organic honey and turmeric are basically the only ingredients. The combination of honey and turmeric is a traditional recipe with anti-inflammatory properties that promotes the increase of our body's immunological responses. In order to obtain all of the benefits that come with this natural anti-inflammatory, all the ingredients must be of the highest quality, so it is better to use organic ingredients. Here is why this natural combination is so effective. Honey's benefits. Honey is rich in antioxidants and essential vitamins. Because of its regenerative properties, bee honey fights against the negative effects of free radicals against the cells, strengthening the tissue and increasing the number of antibodies. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory effect is widely known because it helps reduce mucus in the airways. Turmeric's benefits. Turmeric is a very famous spice due to its orange color that improves the taste and appearance of several dishes. Its characteristic color comes from curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and natural painkiller. Here's what curcumin can do. It balances inflammation in our tissue, destroys harmful pathogens, and creates a protective barrier against the agents that cause infections. We call this treatment, made mainly from honey and turmeric, golden honey. To maintain a lasting effect, many people incorporate golden honey into their diets to strengthen their immune system. However, it can also be used periodically as a natural anti-inflammatory to treat infections. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 100 grams of organic honey, 4 spoonfuls, 15 grams of turmeric powder, 1 spoonful and a half, 1 glass jar with a lid, 1 wooden spoon. Instructions: just mix the organic honey with the turmeric powder in the glass jar and stir it until it's completely mixed. Store the mixture and let it sit all night to increase the concentration of the ingredients and to ensure that your golden honey is effective. Take a spoonful of golden honey every day, preferably in the morning before eating. You can take it directly or dilute it in half a cup of warm water. If you have an infection, take it up to 3 times a day. Do not take this natural anti-inflammatory if you have gallbladder stones or liver problems. Now that you have learned how to use turmeric as a natural anti-inflammatory, take advantage of this ingredient to improve your quality of life and your family's health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.